Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to remove the iCloud activation lock from the iPhone 11. This issue usually happens when a user loses access to their Apple ID, forgets the password, or can't access the recovery options anymore. Because of this, the device gets stuck on the activation lock screen, and the user can't use their own phone. But don't worry, today I'll show you a fast and simple solution. We will go through the device unlocking process using the iActivation app, which helps users regain access to their device in just a few steps. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we will check the Find My iPhone status using the Sequoia server. As you can see, the current Find My iPhone status is on. This confirms that the device is currently locked with iCloud activation lock. Now let's begin the unlocking process. The iActivation app supports all iOS versions, including the latest updates. It is a powerful tool that allows users to regain access to their device with just a few clicks. And if you run a mobile repair shop, training center, or service business, you can also purchase the iActivation app license. Grow your business with the right tools. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Removing the iCloud activation lock using the serial number usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes, so please wait while the process completes. Now the system is removing the iCloud activation lock internally. Finalizing the process. And the device has been successfully unlocked. Now let's check the Find My iPhone status again. As you can see, the Find My iPhone status is now off. This confirms that the iCloud activation lock has been successfully removed. The user can now create a new Apple account or log in with an existing account. If you're facing the same issue with your device, visit iActivation.uk and place your unlocking order. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more device repair and unlocking guides.